Hello everyone, my name is Mitsuhiro Takata. We are gonna study 6th grade mathematics today. Today's topic is variables in mathematical expressions and equations. Before going on to explanations, let's look at the whole problems. Chapter 4.1 Variables in mathematical expressions and equations. Part 1. Write an expression using x for each of the following. So we're gonna create expressions using x. And part 2. What is the perimeter of a rectangle with the length of x centimeters and the width of 25 centimeters? So we are gonna write an expression using x. And number 3. This is just a calculation of x. And part 4. Given a table, you are going to create an equation, and using that equation, you are going to calculate something. Alright, now let's get started. Part 1. Write an expression using x for each of the following. Number 1. The total cost when buying 8 pencils, each costing x yen. 1 pen costs x yen, and times 8 pencils equals 8x. So write an expression using, the answer is 8x. Number 2. The sum of x and 3. So you can add x. You can add x to 3, x and 3, x plus 3. Number 3. The total cost when buying one notebook costing x yen. Okay, notebook is x yen, and another notebook costing 80 yen. Another one is 80 yen equals x plus 80. Okay. Number 4. The remaining money after subtracting 1,300 yen the cost from an allowance of x yen. So you have allowance of x yen, and you used 1,300 yen. So the answer is x minus 1,300. Okay. Now let's go on to part 2. What is the perimeter of a rectangle with the length of x centimeters? So length x with 25, and the perimeter. So this is rectangle, so this line is also x centimeters, and this line, this is also 25 centimeters. So 2x plus 25 times 2 equals x plus 50. So the answer is this one. Okay, part 3. Calculation. Find the value of x. Okay, number 1. X plus 5 equals 13. You subtract 5 from both sides. 30 minus 5 equals 8. Number 2. 7 plus x equals 12. Okay, subtract 7 from both sides. 10 minus x equals 6. Okay, subtract 10 from both sides. And multiply both sides by -1. As a result, you will get this one. For x minus 8 equals 13, add 8 to both sides. So 21, 5. X times 6 equals 18. Okay, let's divide both sides by 6 equals 3. And finally, number 6, 24 divided by x equals 4. This means this one. So let's multiply both sides by x. So 24 equals 4x. Okay, so let's swap both sides. And divide both sides by 4. So as a result, you will get x equals 6. Now let's go on to part 4. Part 4. The number of erasers and their prices are summarized in the table on the right. So the table, look at the table. Let's see the table. And the number of erasers. If the number of erasers is 0, price is 0, of course. And 1, 75. 2, 150. So number 1. How much does one eraser cost? So 175, so 75 yen. Number 2. How much do 4 erasers cost? 75 times 3 equals 225. And 4. 75 times 4 equals 300. So number 2, how much do 4 erasers cost? So 75 times 4 equals 300 yen. Number 3, let x be the number of erasers and y be the total price in yen. Write an equation that represents the relationship between x and y. So y equals the number of erasers is x and the price is y. So 1 for 75, 75x. This is it. Number 4. Use the equation from 3 to find the price when buying 12 erasers. So x equals 12. Therefore, y equals 75 times 12. 75 times 12 equals 900. So the answer is 900 yen. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like it, please press the I like it button, and also please press subscribe button. So see you next time. Goodbye.